Everybody, it's the UC guy for the UCaaS KickasS tip of the week. Now, what we can do with a lot of UCaaS platforms, such as this one here, Zoom, is I can take control of somebody else's machine, or they can take control of mine. So here to help me demonstrate that is fellow C3 or Trevor. Trevor, go ahead and share something, anything on your end, please. All right, so what I do now is I go up to my bar here, and I say, I want to request. So let's say Trevor can't figure something out. I say, let me just do it for you. Request remote control. You are about to request control. This is a security check. I'm going to say yes. On the other end, I think he's going to get the same type of message or similar. Now that status changed at the top, that I'm now controlling Trevor's screen. So I can go in here and say, all right, go here. It looks like we're studying up on cybersecurity. Looks like we got our C3 website open, or I could open a new tab. But the point is that I'm now doing that, and I could also allow Trevor to do that. Works great for PC support for the IT departments to be able to do that type of stuff, and it's included with most UCaaS platforms. Not all of them, so contact your UC guy to make sure if that's a requirement that that the vendor has that available, okay? So that's this week's UCaaS tip of the week. Thanks, Trevor, for helping us out, demonstrate this particular feature.